What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is George and you're here for an exciting video today. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also notification bell. I'm actually going to share with you guys an unboxing and a review of Movement accessories. And for those of you that are not familiar with this brand, you probably are because they're all over Instagram and pretty much any social media platform. It's a affordable luxury accessory brand for men and women. So I'm excited to see what's in this box and yeah, stay tuned. You can check out these products at movementwatches.com. They have beautiful watches, beautiful glasses, men's and women's, and I've always wanted a pair. And they're beautiful. They're all over Instagram, all over social media, like I said, and finally I got my hands on some merchandise from this brand. I'm gonna do this unboxing as simple as possible. I have a table right here, so you'll just see me doing this all in this area. So this is still sealed. Let's get this box opened. The box is a little heavy, but it is ready to open. Okay, there we have it. It says movement.com. Welcome to the Movement. And we have two boxes in here. I'm gonna guess one is probably the watch, another one is, well, the sunglasses. Okay, boxes are pretty sick. So the packaging for here is like a matte black finish and then a shiny black there where it says Movement. Definitely appreciate the textures, and this does not feel cheap at all, to be honest. There we have it. It says Movement in red. Love that. This is the box for, I'm gonna say, the watch. It has a little screw there. A paper for the authenticity, looks like right here. And it talks about like the price and stuff like that on the paper, but let's get this open. You guys, this is the white rose watch. Honestly, this is beautiful. Let's take it out. It's really heavy, actually. Honestly, the pictures do not do this justice. In person, this watch is 10 million times prettier than it was on the website. And the website, it's very nice looking as well. This is luxury at a price that like almost anyone can afford, which is awesome. So there we have it. This is the white rose watch. Love it so much. It's beautiful. Okay, and also we have here the, I'm gonna guess, of course, these are the glasses. And box, again, very sleek. It's that matte black. And open that up. We have some papers here. Looks like this is just discussing Movement and talking about their company. All right. And here is the glasses case. The glasses case is feels like it's a durable case. Doesn't feel like it's cheap quality. It's like a matte black, of course. I feel like that's their signature, that matte black. And let's open it up. There they are. These are the Kilo glasses in matte black gray. I fell in love with these when I seen the picture and I was like, I have to have them. But they have like that retro kind of boxy finish on the bottom part here. And they say Movement right in the corner, which is very subtle, not obnoxious, but let's see how these look. Take that off. Yes. What do we think? I don't know, guys. On the monitor, loving these. These are my new favorite glasses, I must say. Again, very affordable, and the quality is there. I believe this is like a metal frame, and the glass part, well, where it's supposed to be glasses, I can't really tell if that's actually glass or if that is plastic. Either way, they're beautiful. All right, guys, final thoughts on the Movement glasses and the watch I have right here. They're beautiful. I said it like a million times. I definitely am a Movement fan now. I've seen them all over the internet, and finally, I have my own Movement products, which I'm pumped for. You guys can also get one of these watches or glasses on your own for a discounted price. Yes, that's right. I have an affiliate code for $15 off your purchase, GeorgeShearer15. Link will be in the description down below, so be sure to check this out. And guys, I promise you will not be disappointed. So yeah, this is Movement. This is my unboxing, my review. Love this company. Can't wait to get more, honestly. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, of course, give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That's much appreciated. It goes a long way. You don't have to, but it does help me out. Yes. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next one. See ya.